Hello, what is your name?
I am Charita Bagingan,
How old are you?
45 years old,
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes,
Do you have kids?
I have 5 kids.
How old are they?
My eldest is 26 and my youngest is 15 years old.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
Almost 2 years.
Okay, so do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
I work in Taiwan for 6 years.
Okay, so how long you been working with your current employer?
Almost 2 years.
Where's your employer living in?
Aberdeen,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
2,400.
Okay, how many family member there?
3,
How many children?
1.
How old is now?
2 years and 3 months now.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up 7 o'clock in the
Mhm.
morning, prepare the kids' food,
Mm-hmm.
also my mom and sir, and then prepare the kids go to school. In the afternoon, I will go to market and prepare their dinner as well,
Mm-hmm.
and then I will do the household chores.
Okay, so how about cooking? What time you cook?
Usually, I will cook 7 o'clock in the morning, and then
Hindi, I mean is
In the afternoon.
dinner. What time you cook?
4 o'clock to
4
4:30.
o'clock. Okay, so what time they eat?
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Okay, so what time you go to bed?
Usually, I go to bed 9:30.
9:30. Okay, thank you so much.